हाल कैसा है जनाब का, क्या ख्याल है आपका, हम तो मचल गए हो यूं ही फिसल गए यहाँ. So hi there, Jashin Kapani, the founder CEO of Ibdecon Design. This is just a message to kind of let you know that even if the weather and everything is a killer, temperatures are soaring, it's getting hot and stuff. What you got to think about is your next workout and your exercise and how great you're going to feel after this. Because if you keep sitting and thinking only about hi कितनी गर्मी है और कितना ये हो रहा है कितना वो हो रहा है, you will not be able to work out because आपने पहले से अपने आप को psychologically बोल के डाउन कर लिया है. So the best is to hit the gym, enter it, think about all the fun, all the great achievements you're going to have, cracking those numbers and figures that you're aiming and you have a goal in your mind and stuff. And some things can lift you up, but some things can lift you up and some things can bring you down. So if you do not want to be dependent on other people and you want to feel consistent in great emotions and health and stuff, you have to lift up yourself. And that's not just going to happen by the fun and the happening thing of lifting weights and stuff like that, but you got to do the entire exercise, get out of your comfort zone, do some more cardio, do some more cross trainers, do some boxing, do some Zumba. So if you've been only doing one kind of an exercise, then your body gets into a comfort zone, So break it, shake it, move it, and motivate yourself, push yourself, do the good talk with yourself and stuff. And it really works and it really helps because like I said, if you keep thinking about just the weather, just how hot it is and all that, it's going to get you down. On the other hand, if you think about how great you're going to feel, how good you're going to feel, it's going to help you. And if you really are in a specific timing of exercise and stuff, advisable is to try and shift or try and break that habit of doing a consistent exercise around the same time, because your body gets into this automatic mode of the same time and the same energy and everything around the same time, so results sometimes become a little difficult. So if you start working out in the afternoon or let's say a little towards 3:34, your exercise is going to be the best because that's when your hormones respond the best to weight loss and reduction and stuff, okay?